From Dandyland Studios, my name is Joey Helpish, and this is How to Song, Chapter 3, Melody. My first question is, how many notes are in this sound I'm about to make? Basically, the answer is infinite. But at some point, some dead white guys decided that we have 12 notes. And they decided that we're going to call them A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, which is 7 notes, and we're going to give some of them sharps and some of them we won't. I don't know why. Ask the dead white guys. A lot of different cultures throughout time and around the world have had different names for different notes. We're just going to focus on the modern common notes. And those are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then 8 again. 8, A. It's 8 notes away. The 8th note is always the same as the first note, because magical science. But a lot of these have some sharp notes. So we're going to go A sharp, B has no sharp. So C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, and then A again. And within those, we have patterns where we jump over some notes and leave them out. And then that's how we get scales. So here's the A minor scale, which is all the white keys. We start that same scale using all the white keys, and we go to C, that's C major. But probably you're like sitting there talking to yourself, you're like, Joey, you said at the beginning of the series for this first run, we weren't going to focus on like all this math and old dead white guy words and stuff. We're not. If you want to learn about that, we'll talk about it later. I just want to give you sort of a little basis. Because essentially all a melody is one note at a time, usually over the top of harmony, which we'll get to chords here in a bit, on some sort of a loop, usually a rhythmic loop. But you absolutely do not need to know scales to find a melody with your voice. So what we're going to do is we're just going to try to find our voice. In every scale, there's at least a couple notes that you can sing, and you can write a melody out of those couple notes. So we're just going to try to find some notes. There we go. Okay, so this is a 1-bar loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. First bar, we're gonna go ba da 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 da. So what's happening there is the first line we're going bum 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 bum. We're going up a little bit, and then bum 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 bum. We just keep repeating that. So if we're doing 4 lines of 7 syllables, which is our verse journal exercise, then the first line is da 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 da. And then also, to make a chorus, we're just going to do 2 lines and repeat them. So check this out. We are learning how to song. Hope you all can sing along. We are learning how to song. Hope you all can sing along. Now we could keep going and do the verse melodies with the same melody, but we're not going to. We're going to find something maybe a little faster. dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. So one dun 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 dun. 2 bars. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. The key here, when you're starting off with melody, is to keep the loop simple. Keep everything as simple as you possibly can. And look, even if you can't sing any notes, you can't hold a note at all, just talk and follow these same rules. A human voice is still melodic. So before we get to the exercise, here's a little side mission, which is you can go to YouTube and just type in instrumental backing track or jamming track. A lot of these are designed for lead guitar players and stuff, but you can just practice taking some words and singing them over a beat or just a little jam or a little riff. And the key when you're starting out is to be simple, and then the more you write these little ditties, the more you're pushing. You're pushing to go a little higher, to go a little lower, to have more notes and more complexity. So here is today's How to Song exercise. I'm going to sing the chorus, and then I want you to just practice singing some words. We're doing 7 syllables, all of them rhyme, 4 lines at a time. Here we go. We are learning how to song. Hope you all can sing along. We are learning how to song. Hope you all can sing along. We are learning how to song. Hope you all can sing along. We are learning how to song. Hope you all can sing along. Sweet. Good job. I hope you have a badass day, and I love you.